Olaf-a-lot Loopsy here, and today I have Jakks Pacific Olaf-a-lot. Let's take a closer look at it in the box. This toy is recommended for ages 3 and up. If you push on his nose, he says 50 different phrases. You can also pop his head off. And he can sit and stand. Here's the back of the box. And here's his description. You can pause that if you would like to read it. And here he is out of the box. Let's take a closer look at him. Here he is in the sitting position, but if you move his legs back, he can stand up, like this. His arms can also move up and down. Let's push on his nose.
I got one ready. What did the snowman say to the store customer? Have an ice day. Oh, you're so cute. I just want to wrap my twigs around you. All good things, all good things. I heard carrots are good for your eyes, but I think they're actually much better for your nose. Why does a hummingbird hum? Because he doesn't know the words to the song. Isn't my nose perfect? It's so orangey and triangly and an excellent source of vitamin A, surprisingly.
You can remove his head to hear different phrases.
Sledding is fun until somebody loses a butt. Woo! Head rush. Oh, okay, upside down. All right, just do me one favor. Don't drop me. Oh, well, workout complete. Watch out! I got some moves.
And here's what he looks like from the back. Here you can see the speaker is on the back of his head. So that was my look at Olaf-a-lot by Jakks Pacific. His suggested retail price is $24.99, and you can find them at all the major retailers. I give this toy a 5 out of 5 because it's unique, entertaining, and I'd have hours of fun playing with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!